What's up, you guys? So today we're gonna be painting these because that's not how we want to be. So we're just gonna be painting these for now. I wanted to kind of like do like a quick, you know, DIY slash I don't like the way that they look. So the paint that we picked up in the last video, we're gonna be using that. It's like a gloss black, already has like clear coat in it too, which is super dope. If you remember, or if you weren't there, it's basically this, you know, it's actual car paint injected into a can. So super excited to try to see how it looks. Right now we got to go to O'Reilly's because I was told I don't need primer, but I'm primer it anyway, just, you know, just cause like I feel like I should, so, and I can. So let's go ahead and head over to O'Reilly's and get the primer. And yes, I'm drinking coffee in the afternoon. Don't judge me. What are we looking for? I feel like going with what I know for the primer. That's the one. We got the primer, and yes, I know it says engine enamel primer, okay, but primer, I know it works. Hopefully one can is enough, but let's meet back at the house and get this started. Back at the house, so I kind of went ahead and got everything that we're gonna need. I'm gonna just run you down them really quick. Obviously I'm gonna, you know, use that. Yeah, I got one 2.5 ton jack, and just in case I need another support, because for some apparent reason I keep leaving it out of my head to buy some jack stands. So you know, I need a Mickey Mouse's, so they're like super cheap too. Like I need to remember to buy some. Anyways, so first what I'm gonna do is somebody had mentioned to me, because, you know, I was over here talking about how a lot of this stuff is kind of like peeling off. Like, I don't know, as long as from far away it looks like the freaking wheel has a disease on it. But a lot of this stuff is kind of peeling off, so I was going to like Scotch-Brite it, and what I would have thought is maybe like Scotch-Brite it with like Ecolink, but maybe this might work. So they had mentioned to use Dawn, I'm guessing because it's a, you know, strong degreaser or whatever, and, you know, to rub them down with some Scotch-Brite. And then after I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna rub it down each wheel with some acetone, wipe that down, and then we're gonna use the primer, and then we're gonna use this paint right here, Black Ebony. Looks like it's from a Ford, but anyways, this is real, you know, car paint, you know, injected into a can. So can't wait to see how that looks. And then these index cards are going to be placed around the rim, in between the rim and the tires, so we don't get any overspray on the tires. So let's go ahead and take these wheels off and let's get started. Alright, you guys, so after a good amount of time of trying to get this thing rubbed down and get all like the old, super old plastic dip off, as you can see, hella dirty now. One thing I want to add is the homie that gave me the method with the Dawn soap, yeah, it wasn't working. Not for this plastic dip like material. You know, this is so old, it's almost like it's like with the wheel now. And so I kind of got it down like as much as I possibly could. Like even like there's like some really hard areas and grooves in here that I really can't get. So I'm kind of hoping, you know, that with the layers of primer and the layers of paint, you know, you won't really notice. But these wheels are gonna get changed anyways. You know, I'm gonna buy wheels. I'm just waiting for them to kind of come in. I just wanted to kind of do something really quick for now. I just wanted to like throw that out there. But if it was up to me, if I would have like not wanted to like try something like new and see if it was gonna work, I probably would have used like Ecolink with the Scotch-Brite, because I feel like Ecolink will just strip down any type of like material that's on like a piece of metal or something like that. I guarantee that will work a lot better. Now, I did use the Dawn soap after I had Scotch-Brited it all and kind of scuffed it up and to like wipe it down, and then after that I used acetone so that way the paint can kind of stick. So now that we finally are at this point, let's add a couple layers of primer. I'm probably gonna do like maybe 2, maybe 3, 1 light layer first, and then 2 coats after that of primer, and then maybe like 2-3 coats of paint. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I put on 3 coats of primer. I put it on the 2 rear wheels and the 2 sets of lug nuts. I'm not going to have enough for the 2 front wheels, so I'm going to get another can of primer in the morning tomorrow, as well as finish the 2 front wheels in the morning tomorrow, because I'm losing daylight. I've kind of been at this for hours. I guess you could say it was a learn as you go type of deal, but it's all good. It's coming out pretty well. Right now, about to put on the black gloss paint, so let's go ahead and move forward to that. So I put the first coat of the black paint on the wheel, and god dang, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. At first it was spraying out a little green and I was tripping. You see that? A little bit of green. But then as I kept going in and layering it up, oh my god. And this is barely the first coat. I might only need 2. So I'm running out of the first one, but it wasn't full, mind you. So now I need to hit this one. But look at the difference. Like, damn, it looks so good already. I'm like already satisfied. Sheesh, sheesh, sheesh. Went on and threw a second coat on this one, and damn, that looks so good. This one I still need to throw on one more quick coat on it, but it looks just as good. Honestly, it was a struggle right now from what you guys could see, but I didn't expect like for the wind to like pick up during this time in the day. So like as I was trying to like, you know, have one settle down so I could put the next coat, like all the freaking flashcards were like either blowing on the wheel or like blowing off of the wheel, and that was irritating. So I just was like more and wanted to get it done as fast as I could. I'm like halfway down to this other can. I already finished the can, the first can, which was already halfway. So I had like maybe like 1 full can, 1.5 cans of the paint. I honestly feel like I'm gonna need like another can for the front too. There's gonna be some left over, but there's just not gonna be enough for, you know, like 2 more coats. So I'm gonna try to pick up another can tomorrow. Hopefully they're open. I'm not too sure if they are or not, but if not, then I'm gonna have to finish this Monday, and then there's gonna be like an offset on the wheel color. So oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put this dang thing back in. Look at these, man. Damn, no! No! Alright, you guys, so it's currently the next day, and I did finish up the other ones last night. Holding up pretty well. Not too bad. Just to speed things along, I took everything off already, so I'm already ready to Scotch-Brite everything. Let's go ahead and move on with these front wheels, and then we'll throw them on and see how it looks from the side view of the car.
Let's go back.
Alright, y'all, so I finally finished up, and I gotta say, goddamn, oh man, it looks so much better, you guys. I was so sick and tired of seeing the stock wheels how they were before. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yeah, buddy. Sheesh. Sheesh. I feel way better about the car now. I wanted to throw something out there real quick, you guys. This is just like in the meantime. Like, I'm not going to be keeping these wheels. I'm going to be buying other wheels for this car, but for the time being, until they get here, I wanted to kind of just do a little bit of, you know, spruce it up a little bit, make it, finesse it, make it a little bit better than it was before, because it looked like I had a disease. So I also wanted to mention that this was not like an official way to paint your wheels or anything like that. You know, this is just, you know, something I wanted to tackle over the weekend, and I tried a couple different methods while I was doing it, so that's why it might have taken me a little bit longer. But me saying that is so you guys don't go and roast me in the comments on they should have done this, should have done that. Like, I'm all for it. You guys can leave that stuff down there, but just know you don't have to follow what I did to the T. If you see what I did and it works for you without like the Dawn soap, because I was trying to get off plastic dip, so be it. You know, go ahead and, you know, use my method. I mean, it worked for me, so I just wanted to throw that out there. Don't have to follow my thing 100%. But damn, I need some wheels. All right, you guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, because I definitely like how they look now. Let me know what you guys think about the new wheels down in the comments below. And if this is your guys' first time to the channel, please make sure you guys like and subscribe if you like what you see. My name is Desmond Simmons, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys live long and prosper. It's all about longevity, you guys. Later.